Hi guys, this is Lisa, back with another video for you from Lisa Wise Designs. And today we're going to be talking about mystery boxes. Are they worth it? Do you like mystery boxes? Have you ever bought one and loved it and used everything? Maybe you bought one and been very disappointed. I'm not a big proponent of them. I think it's just my personality. I'm too much of a control freak. But I got this opportunity to order a mystery box from Echo Park. It promised a $175 value for $50 with free shipping. I make a lot of dummy projects, I like to call it. Or I guess when I'm designing, I like to make up projects and put paper on them to see if it's going to work before I teach it. So I use a lot of papers. Sometimes I buy papers that I love. Sometimes I buy paper that are on sale. So I thought for me, this might work out, especially if it's a lot of paper products, that I might get a lot of use out of it just for that. Even if it was not my style, I would use it, right, to decorate some of my dummy projects. Anyway, what I have done is I've opened the box and I took out the packing material. Other than that, we're going to look at it together. So what I'm looking for today is to see, they said it was a $175 value. How many items did we get? Are they usable items? Did we really get the $175 retail value? And would I use them? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, this is what the box looked like. It came with some brown shipping paper on the top of it, so I just took that out. So what I'm going to do is kind of move this out of the camera view so that we can actually take a good look at everything one by one. So right off the bat, we've got these decorative rubons. They are really, really cute, and I can actually use these because I had a baby. No, I didn't have a baby. Excuse me. I have a granddaughter about 3.5 months ago. And so this will be really cute. We're actually working on some albums, so I can really use this. This is really adorable. Another thing I kind of like to see in this packet, are they going to give us a few things that work together, or are they all going to be singles like this? Like, am I going to have to go find all the paper and everything to match? All right, let's see what else we got. Decorative brads. This is really pretty. This looks like from the Imagine That collection. It's got some unicorns on here. This is really pretty. I like that. I think I can use that along with this. Some other things I'm keeping in my mind too is I know my granddaughter, it might be a few years from now, but she's going to want to sit down and craft. So if there's some really cutesy things like this that I don't get to use, she'll love to use that, and I won't worry about, oh, this costs $5 or $6 and she's going to, quote, use it up on me, because that's not what's going to happen, right? I didn't pay that much for it. Okay, what's next? Oh, here's another one that came from that same collection, Sweet Baby Girl. This is enamel phrases. So these would go together like that. Okay. Let me get the box all the way open. Let's see. A designer stamp. This is a A2 size. So this will go on the front of a card. This is really pretty. Acrylic stamp to make backgrounds with. I don't have anything like that, so I think I can use that for sure. A 6x6 stencil. This was from the Lost in Neverland set. I like stencils. I've been wanting to do some of those, so I think I would use that too. It doesn't bother me that it comes from Lost in Neverland, right? I mean, it's probably because these arrows looking things, but I like it. I don't have to use it for that. Oh, it really is my lucky day. Take a look at this. Here's another one that could be used with baby cards. This says Bundle of Joy. It's got dies and stamps. I bet you this is one of the most expensive things that's in this box. It's got the stamp and the die set. It says Little Lady. Cute. Okay, like that too. So far, so good. Oh, here's a few things that came together. Right here, right on top. Look at this. Oh, here's some boy stuff. This is Pirate Tales. Now, this is something I would not have bought on my own, so that's kind of cool to have this in here. And I love that it came with the matching frames and tags. So that way I can make a small project and decorate it. And I probably would never have bought this on my own, but it's so cute. I will probably really like it. Let's open it, just take a little peek in here. Let me grab something. I'm dying to look and see what this paper looks like. Cute. That would be good for Disney too. Look at that. It looks very Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh, I love that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Like I said, I would not have bought this on my own, but I think I can use this in a project. And these frames and tags are really cute. Okay. Oh, here's another one. This is from Lost in Neverland, so it's a different paper pack. I'm guessing that means it was very Peter Pan-ish paper. But you know, look at this. I bet a couple of these I could use together, like that alligator right there. Or this saying. I think I could really use these together. Okay, let's move on. Oh, look. Look at that paper pack. This is a 12 by 12 paper pack. This is the ones that's got the stickers in it and 12 sheets of paper. So that's really cool. I've got 3 things that go together. I can really make a nice project with this. And like I said, I would not have bought this on my own. Put this up, make that safe. Let's see what else we got. Okay, we've got some enamel dots. This is from the Home Again collection, but look at the pretty colors. This has got like a mint green, a darker green, a cream, a black, and a bluish green here. Yeah, I really like those. It doesn't matter that it was part of this collection. There's a lot of things that this will, I can use that for. Let's move on. Okay, looks like there's a couple of washi tapes. They're calling it decorative tape. This one's from Best Summer Ever, and this one's from I Love Family. Take a look at there. So this is stripes. And this looks like it's got bikinis and different summer things on there. And I've got some summer paper. I might even have this paper pack. So I think I can use that. This is kind of plain Jane. It's not very pretty to me, but it's okay. If that's the only thing that I don't like that came in this pack, I'll be doing great. But you know, you can also use washi tape when you're die cutting to hold down that paper as it's going through your die machine. So that would be perfect with this. I wouldn't have to buy anything else, right? So I think what's left in here is paper packs. This one says Happy Camper. Oh, look at that owl and that fox. Looks like these are 12 papers and their sticker pack. This is probably an older set. Look at the graphics, but it's still adorable. I really like that. Foxes, you're so in. Look at this little deer. Oh, it's so cute. And of course, owls have been in for such a long time, and hedgehogs, RVs. That's really cute. This will be really cute for some outdoor pictures. Oh, well, look, here's, I guess, a couple of different summer packs. It's not the one on this washi, but look, it's in the same color scheme. So you could use that together. This is Summer Dreams. There's the stickers. Yeah, I like those. I love these type of colors, these real beachy colors. This one says Beach Day. And there's the stickers. I don't usually use these up, but the stickers are really cute. Of course, it's got that same bright colors. I like that. This is Our House. Was that what this was? This other washi tape? Oh no, that one was called I Love Family. But look, it's almost the same color scheme. You could use that together. But this is Our House. I like this. Happy Memories, Thankful. So far, I don't have any of these collections. And I thought I had everything. Full. Oh my goodness. This looks very Halloweenish to me. I wonder if it is. It says it's black full. 6 sheets of 12 by 12. And I guess these are the colors it comes in. It's pretty. I would definitely use this for Halloween papers because to me that orange and this lime and purple scream Halloween. I would never have bought that either, but I think I could work that into a project. And last but not least, look at this. This is a paper pad. I know these go for $20 retail. So that right there is 20 bucks out of my 50. I love Disney. Now I already have Disney, the paper packs like this that has the stickers in it, and it only comes with 12 sheets of paper and stickers, where this one's got 24 sheets in this pad. I can always use Disney. I'm going to be doing a Disney project pretty soon. Look at that. Oh, look at that. I love these little reels. Little Viewmaster reels, I think they are. Oh, yeah, this is adorable. I could see where all this stuff is usable. Okay, I'm going to go kind of write everything down and total up the retail value and then answer the questions that I had when I first started this video. I'll be right back. Okay, I've had a chance to take a look at everything. What I got in here was 19 items. And I was right, this is a $20 retail value. So that's one of my, this might be, no, it's not my highest ticket item, but almost. So this right here was worth 20 bucks of my 50. All of these paper packs right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they're $15 each, so that's $75 right there. This full is $9. These are between $3 and $4 each, depending on where you pick those up at. And this right here is kind of the surprise. The die and stamp set is $24 retail. So that was a really good deal, and I can use it because it's baby. A couple years ago, I wouldn't have been so excited about it, but I love that. The stencils, all of these run about $5 or $6 each for these things, and this one I think was $6. This one is $6. This one is $5. Let's see how much this stamp was. This A2 stamp was $13, so that's a pretty cool thing. So, all in all, like I said, I got 19 items. The retail value, and I used scrapbook.com and a cherry on top to take a look at those prices, would have been $190 if I had ordered it full price. So they promised $175. There's a $190 value. So they were absolutely truthful in that. It didn't promise how many items, but I got 19 items. And just the paper packs, those 5 paper packs alone was worth $75. And that Disney one, which I love, was worth $20. So even if I got that, I can really use this. I hope this was helpful to you if you try to order a mystery box. Again, you can go to echoparkoutlet.com. They're not a sponsor of mine. I just ordered this on my own to see. At the bottom of that front page, you can sign up for their email listing. If you ever want to get a mystery box, they'll send you an email when those are available a few times a year. If you have any other questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer those as best I can, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye!